Squad Mobility. The Squad Mobility car is redefining urban commuting with its compact size and ingenious solar-powered design. This microcar is equipped with integrated solar panels on its roof, allowing it to recharge during the day while parked, reducing dependency on traditional charging stations. It comfortably seats 2 passengers and offers a practical range of up to 62 miles on a single charge, making it ideal for short commutes and errands. What makes Squad Mobility stand out is its focus on sustainability and affordability, designed to provide an accessible electric vehicle option for city dwellers. Despite its small size, the car doesn't compromise on functionality. It includes features like a modular storage system, smartphone connectivity, and weather protection. Naxion iAM. The Naxion iAM is not your typical electric scooter. It's a futuristic, high-performance machine designed to take personal mobility to the next level. This scooter boasts a powerful dual-motor setup that delivers an impressive top speed of 40 miles per hour and a range of up to 50 miles, catering to both urban commuters and adventure seekers. The iAM features a robust frame, all-terrain tires, and advanced suspension, ensuring smooth rides across rough city streets and rugged paths alike. Its sleek design is complemented by a smart display that provides real-time data like speed, battery status, and navigation, all easily accessible via an app. The scooter's foldable frame and lightweight build make it incredibly portable, so you can carry it with ease or store it in tight spaces. Doroni H1 eVTOL. The Doroni H1 eVTOL is an electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicle that brings the dream of personal flight closer to reality. With a sleek and compact design, this futuristic aircraft is built for urban air mobility, offering an innovative solution to the congestion and inefficiency of traditional ground transportation. Powered by a state-of-the-art electric propulsion system, the H1 can reach a top speed of 100 miles per hour and cover a range of up to 60 miles, making it perfect for short city-to-city commutes. Its foldable wings and lightweight frame ensure easy storage and portability, while advanced safety features like obstacle detection, autopilot capabilities, and emergency landing systems provide peace of mind for pilots. Polaris Snowmobiles, Indy VR1. The Polaris Indy VR1 is a cutting-edge snowmobile that combines thrilling performance with unmatched versatility for winter adventures. Built with a lightweight yet durable chassis, this snowmobile is powered by a high-output engine that delivers exceptional acceleration and top speeds, ensuring an exhilarating ride in any snowy environment. Its advanced suspension system and wide skis provide superior handling and stability, whether you're navigating tight trails or gliding through deep powder. The Indy VR1 features a modern aerodynamic design with customizable graphics, allowing riders to tailor the look to their style. It also incorporates a state-of-the-art ride command system, giving you GPS navigation, real-time performance data, and connectivity at your fingertips. Gogoro Pulse. The Gogoro Pulse is revolutionizing the electric motorcycle market with its sleek aesthetics, powerful performance, and groundbreaking battery swapping system. This urban commuter bike offers a top speed of 62 miles per hour and a range of up to 87 miles, providing an efficient and eco-friendly alternative for city travel. Gogoro's innovative battery swapping technology is a standout feature. Riders can quickly replace depleted batteries at dedicated stations, eliminating downtime and range anxiety. The Pulse is designed for modern riders with advanced features like a digital dashboard, smartphone connectivity, and customizable performance modes. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable ride, while its lightweight frame and responsive handling make it perfect for weaving through traffic. Boomer Buggy X Pro. The Boomer Buggy X Pro takes mobility scooters to the next level, combining convenience, comfort, and modern design. This electric scooter is perfect for those who need a reliable and portable vehicle for short-distance travel. Its foldable frame makes it easy to store in car trunks or carry on public transit, while its sturdy construction ensures durability and safety. Powered by a high-capacity motor, the X Pro offers a top speed of 15 miles per hour and a range of up to 25 miles on a single charge. The scooter is equipped with an adjustable seat, intuitive controls, and a spacious platform for added comfort and ease of use. Whether you're navigating through crowded city streets or exploring a scenic park, the Boomer Buggy X Pro provides a smooth and enjoyable ride for users of all ages. BeTriton e-Trailer. The BeTriton e-Trailer is a multifunctional marvel that combines the features of an electric tricycle, a camper, and a boat into one seamless vehicle. Perfect for adventurers seeking a sustainable way to explore, this innovative e-Trailer allows you to ride on land, sleep in comfort, and even float on water. The electric motor provides a range of 30 miles on land and transforms into a capable boat for navigating calm waters. Its camper pod is compact yet surprisingly spacious, featuring a comfortable sleeping area, storage compartments, and even solar panels for off-grid power. With its eco-friendly design and versatility, the BeTriton e-Trailer is ideal for weekend getaways, solo trips, or longer explorations, making it a truly one-of-a-kind adventure companion. Splash Transformer. The Splash Transformer is a versatile electric scooter designed to adapt to any riding situation with ease. Its modular frame allows you to switch between different configurations, including commuter, off-road, and cargo-carrying setups, making it one of the most flexible scooters on the market. Powered by a robust motor, it can reach a top speed of 37 miles per hour and offers a range of up to 40 miles on a single charge. The Transformer features a durable build with hydraulic suspension and all-terrain tires, ensuring a smooth and stable ride on any surface. With its smart features like app connectivity, customizable lighting, and a futuristic design, the Splash Transformer is perfect for riders who demand performance, functionality, and style. HPC Trailblazer Pro. The HPC Trailblazer Pro is an electric mountain bike built for adventurers who crave power, speed, and durability. With a lightweight yet robust frame, this e-bike is equipped with a powerful motor that provides both pedal assist and throttle options, reaching speeds of up to 36 miles per hour. Its long-range battery ensures up to 70 miles of travel, allowing you to tackle challenging trails without worrying about running out of power. The Trailblazer Pro features a cutting-edge suspension system, rugged tires, and hydraulic disc brakes, giving you unmatched control and stability on even the toughest terrains. Whether you're exploring mountain paths, forest trails, or desert landscapes, this bike delivers an exhilarating and reliable riding experience that's second to none.